Okay then guys, thanks Train Spotter HD and welcome back to yet another new train video. And today I'm at the terminus point of the Riviera line. I'm at Paignton to do another train video on this Sunday afternoon. The main reason why I came to Paignton today is obviously to record the train of lights. I believe that the train of lights departs around about 5:15, I think is the first one. We also be seeing the passenger services from Great Western Railway, and we should see a service from Crosscountry much later on in the video as well. So should be made for a good video. We would have saw the London Paignton to Paignton services, but unfortunately they've got cancelled. It's just a bit of a shame because it kind of reduces how many trains I can record in this video now. So yeah, but hopefully I could still make somewhat of a video. This is the train I got off to get to Paignton. It's the 158762 and the 150265 will be at the front. We did see this train at Exmouth yesterday. Obviously a slight difference today. I'm at Paignton, but yeah, should be made for a good little video again for at least 10 or so minutes, maybe longer, see how we go. So as always guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay guys, well, back in the video, I thought I'd come down the platform here and show you obviously the steam train here at Paignton. Obviously the lights are not on at the moment. I'm assuming that obviously, like I said, the first departure is on around about 5:15. Obviously it'll be dark then. So they're just waiting for it to get dark, I suppose, so they can obviously proudly show the lights when it departs. I was going to go on it myself, but I thought, well, I think I'll just make a video here at Paignton and include the passenger services as well. So yeah, if we zoom down there, it looks to be, I don't know if you can see it very clearly guys, there's a looks to be a good old classic shunter. You don't often see many of those around now, so it looks like that one's been well kept in good order. I'm not sure what the steam locomotive will be to haul this train of lights away. I'm just trying to think. I don't know if it would be the Goliath, because last time I was here I think it was the Goliath that did the steam train, but yeah, there's a little update. Same carriages as always, just named differently. You got, is that one? That one's called Lily. That's called Dave. That's called Elizabeth. That's called what's that? Madeline. That one's called I don't know what it's called. Can't quite tell. But yeah, they named each coach. So yeah, that's we'll see. Quite good. Anyway, we're back in a few minutes once this passenger service goes out. Okay guys, back in the video, so there you go. That's going to be hauling away the Christmas train of lights. It's called the Omaha. It's getting its fuel up. There we go. Very nice indeed. I'll quickly show you that. There you go. There's the zoom up there. There's the coal going in, getting all fueled up. It is a spectacular thing to see this train of lights depart. It really is a good thing. So that's why I came down to Paignton today to see it go out. This video here at Paignton was on my cards this weekend, and I chose today because of the passenger services from London Paignton, which unfortunately those have got cancelled, which is kind of annoying. But at least I believe the cross-country service from Birmingham New Street, which we'll see probably the last train of the video, we'll see that much later on. So but yeah, there's the good old steam locomotive in its glory. So I thought I'd show you that one guys. So yep, we'll be back in a few seconds once this service goes out. Okay, back to the part will be the 1617 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. 265 now leading the way. The 158, 7, 6, 2 at the back. Now once this goes out, guys, it won't be too far until another train comes in. About 2 or 3 minutes after this goes out. So yeah. Okay, so like I said, there should be a turbo coming in, terminating from Exmouth very shortly as well. I'm just worried to keep the camera rolling. There we go, nice little, nice little whistle there. Scared me half to death there, guys. Oh, there we go. Well, I'll keep the camera rolling. Look, that's the steam locomotive on its move. Now once this goes out, I don't know if this will be at the back of the train or at the front. I'm thinking at the back, because it was like there was a shunter at the front. There she goes. Very nice, all fueled up, ready to go. And we do have that other train now coming in. This will be the 166-220. This was on the Exmouth to Paignton line yesterday, but unfortunately I did miss it at Exmouth. But we're catching it now. Now this won't depart until about 1648, so this has got a good good 25 odd minute wait until it leaves. There we go. Hey guys, well, back in the video. As you can see, it's the steam thing is moving into the platform a bit more. Not quite sure why it was out like that anyway. Thinking probably because of the steam locomotive being when it came in earlier on, I suppose. We get to see the just about to see the shunter in real in action. She does look rather nice, I will admit. See a lot of people waiting to get on. So, can I get a glimpse of what this name has on it, on the number as well? Can't quite tell because of the gate being in the way, that fence being in the way. But, oh, might get a glance here. Is that called Samson? Nameplate on that shunter there? With number D3014, I believe. There we go. Oh, there we go. There's the train lights on. Oh, there we go. Don't that's. I'm going to take a few seconds to admire how marvelous this looks. This is the specific reason why I came down to Paignton today, guys, is to record this for you. I believe, like I said, I think the departure is at 16:45, so it's still got, I think, another 10 odd minutes until it can leave. But it should depart on time, which is should be good. So there we go. There we go. Marvelous. I like the way they do it every time, each year. Christmas train of lights at Paignton. It's so colourful, so good. So we'll see the oh, hello. Okay, well, the shunter's going now. Okay, so I believe that now that the steam locomotive will be at the front. So that shunter just was there just to pull the train into the platform. Interesting to see where that shunter goes. I'm thinking it may go in there, or would it go into the sides? Probably go into the sides, but that will just wait there. And then the steam locomotive, I believe, will come up from the side track and go onto the front, and then that shunter will obviously have to get out of the way. So there we go. So is the shunter on the move again? It isn't on the move again, so we'll keep the camera rolling even more. It's going to turn out to be quite an interesting video after all, guys, despite the London Paignton services being cancelled, unfortunately. So indeed, that shunter is going into the middle thing. What I thought, quite rare. Don't often see this. Probably the first time I've seen a probably the first time I've recorded a locomotive coming into the middle platform. I'm hoping it doesn't stop there. But there we go. So we'll come back in a few seconds once the train lights go out. Right, well, we're back in the video again. Just thought I'd give you the oh, we got the Braveheart coming out. Now, obviously, I saw the is it the Goliath down there? Getting fueled up, which I thought was going to be used for that, but maybe not. Maybe the Braveheart is going to be doing this one. Keep the camera rolling because obviously it's going to come into the and couple up onto the front of the train. Gotta love a good steam locomotive in action. Steaming away and puffing away like a absolute beauty. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, yes. That's what we like to see. Marvellous sound. And it smells good as well. What I was about to say is we'll come back in a few seconds once she goes out. Okay, back to the park, guys. Will be the Christmas train of lights. That turret down there is just departed as well. That's going back off to Exmouth. shame they have to turn off the lights when it departs. Not the same really, is it? But so you got the Braveheart at the front. Well, the reason why they turn the lights off apparently is because of the houses that are near to the side of the track. So I wish they just kept the lights on. It is so much better when the lights are on. It's such a shame. But still quite good to see the lights in action when it was on. I think this is a proper tail. You got the Braveheart at the front, and we got the there you go, the Goliath at the back. Not the Goliath, Omaha. Get it right, Alex. You complete and utter moron. And that will come back into Paignton at around about, I think about 6:45. Oh, I won't be here at this time. Obviously, I'll be back in Exeter. There we go. Still pretty good to see. Like I said, shame they have to turn off the lights. I don't see the reason why they need to. But there we go. It is what it is. Okay then guys, well from now on it'll just be passenger services, so we'll come back in a few seconds once some more trains come in. Okay again guys, we're back in the video here at Paignton, and this is the last train of the video. At the Crosscountry service from Birmingham New Street. Terminating in from Birmingham New Street, I should say. It's on to Super Voyager, which is, you don't often see a Super Voyager here at Paignton. It's normally a 4-car one. And this will be my train back to Exeter as well. Two 127. So as that cross-country service comes into Paignton guys, I'm going to leave it here on this Sunday afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this little selection of trains you saw here at Paignton, including the train of lights, which I think she is on his way back to Paignton now, I think. So yeah, nice little selection of trains here at Paignton, thrown in with the mix of the cross-country service there now. Shame the London passenger services didn't run. If they ran, that would have been even more of a gooder video, but nonetheless still a good video. So I hope you enjoyed. My next video will be tomorrow. I'm not sure where though, so stay tuned. Plenty of videos to come guys in the coming days ahead. So until next time, from me here at quite a chilly Paignton, I'll see you all soon guys. Take care.